Hello everyone, welcome to my weekly Glam. Today I want to show you 2 ways on how I make my coffee infused oil. I wanted to do this video a long time ago, so I guess it's time now. This oil can be used for your skin, for your hair, for your body. It is perfect if you want to use it in your masks, scrubs, use it as a massage oil for your body, or on its own without adding anywhere, using as a mask for your under eye area, for example. And it's really very easy to make. All you need is coffee, oil, jars, and bottle where you're gonna store it. If you don't have any bottles, you can store it in the jar. Just make sure that you sift it carefully. And also, don't throw away the grounds after you sifted your oil, because you can use it straight away as a scrub for your body or for your face. It will give you amazing effect and your skin will feel wonderful. If you like this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified every single time when I post new video on my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Have a nice day everyone, and I will see you next time.